goodness. Good morning, boys and girls. Sorry, I was just having a little bit of beach fun here at my house. I've got my beach gear on today. I've got my beach bag all ready and my beach towel in the background. Are you guys ready to have a beach themed morning meeting? I'm super excited. It is almost summertime, and so I thought today would be fun to have a beach themed morning meeting. And I hope you'll join me in a little while for our beach party and talent show. So, boys and girls, today the first thing we're going to start out with is a beach greeting. And so today we're going to do a surfing greeting again, and it's going to kind of go like this. You're going to pretend like you're swimming in the ocean, and you're going to say good morning. And I want you to give me a really good beachy good morning. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's do our good morning greeting. Here we go. Good morning. All right, let's take a look at our morning message today and find out what is happening. I'm super excited. All right, today is May 22nd, 2020. Dear beach bums, those are friends that like to hang out on the beach all day like me. Fantastic Friday. Wait a second. Today is not Friday, it's Friday. Let's write an F, and we'll write an uppercase F right here. Awesome. We will have a bee party today. It's supposed to say, I think, beach. What two letters say ch? Think about that. Ch. C and H. Good job. We will have a beach party and talent show at 10 o'clock today on Google Hangout. Make sure you follow the link and be ready with your talent. And remember, if you didn't have a talent, that's okay. You can still cheer on your friends. You will also have library. Library. Let's write an L there with Mrs. Potter. Now listen to this question. What is something you are looking forward to this summer? It's almost summer, and I know I'm looking forward to swimming at our aunt's pool and just spending time outside with Eleanor and taking care of my plants and flowers. So today, you are going to make your own summer list. I'm going to send you a special activity. It's called a bucket list. A bucket list is where you make a list of things that you want to do. And so you're going to make a summer bucket list today, and you're going to get a special bucket to fill out. And you're going to write down what activities you hope to do this summer by yourself, with your family. Be thinking about some things that you might want to do this summer. I can think of lots. All right, we're going to go to our next part. And I have a super secret surprise. It wouldn't be a beach party if we didn't have a funny beach song. Now this song is one that we used to do at the beginning of kindergarten, and now it's the end of kindergarten, so I thought it might be fun to try it one more time together. Get your sharks ready because here comes the Baby Shark song. You guys ready with your sharks? Okay, get them ready. All right, here we go.
Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, ready?
Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark. Grandma shark do do.
Oh, Grandma doesn't have any teeth.
Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do, run away.
Run away, run away.
Run away do 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 do, run
Ready?
Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last. Phew. It's the end, do-do-do-do-do. It's the end, do-do-do-do-do. It's the end, do-do-do-do-do. It's the end.
Great job! That was so much fun. I hope you had fun doing the baby shark. It reminded me of the beginning of our year. All right, let's go ahead and take a peek at our calendar today. Ooh, I see some fun pictures that I'm going to talk about too. Yesterday was the 21st of May, so that means today is the 22nd, and there's the picture of the beach. That's why we're having a beach meeting. We're going to have a beach party and our talent show later this morning. All right, let's get ready to move our next shape. Let's see. Let's go way back here. Let's look at our pattern. We had a flower, bird, butterfly. Flower, bird, butterfly is going to come next, so I'm going to drag a butterfly over here. Let's move our arrows over too. Today is Friday and tomorrow is Saturday. That means tomorrow is a weekend day. Woohoo! Maybe you're going to have a beach party this weekend. I don't know. Now, there's something special. We do not have school tomorrow, Saturday. The next day is Sunday, also a weekend day. The next day you see a picture of a flag. This is called Memorial Day, and we do not have school on Memorial Day. So I'm going to go ahead and just cross over this date so we know we don't have school that day either. But there's a picture of a flag, and the flag represents all the men and women who serve our country. They could be in the military, like the Navy, the Army, the Marines, the Air Force. There are so many people that protect our country and keep our country safe and help people that need help. And so on this day, we remember all those men and women who are protecting and keeping our country safe. And then the very next day, we will have school. So we won't have school on Monday, but on Tuesday, we have something special. I see a picture. It is going to be field day. And on this day, there will be no videos. There will be no choice board. The only thing you get to do this day is watch my morning meeting and then have fun with Mr. Moostar's field day activities. We will be sending you something that you can choose a lot of fun outdoor and field day activities. And then you're going to write about your favorite and tell me about it. So on this day, it will be a little different. We won't have any lessons. There won't be really any assignments except for to participate in the field day activities. You'll still have a morning meeting with me, so pay attention so you know what to post for your Seesaw attendance. Then the next day is our happy birthday. On this day, we're going to celebrate all the friends who have summer birthdays. So exciting. Then the very next day, another exciting event is happening. In the afternoon, we are going to have our drive-through to Brookview. And this is where all the teachers at Brookview are going to be lined up outside the school. It's kind of like a little parade. And we're going to be waving at you and holding our signs. You could decorate your cars like you're in a parade, and you're going to wave back at us. You might even hear some fun music. Then, the last day of school is on Friday, and that's actually my birthday, so I might have some secret surprises for you. And so make sure you tune in all next week as our last week of school. So exciting, and then it's summer. All right, let's keep going. Oh, I'm just so excited. Let's go to the next part, and we're going to do our weather. Today it says mostly cloudy, so I'm going to put it on cloudy for today, but I hope that maybe it will change. Maybe it will be mostly sunny today. It has to be. It's our beach day. All right, let's keep going. We're going to do our May tally marks. We have to make one more straight down. The next week we'll make one going across. Oh, and we have to switch 13 to the number that comes after 13, which is 14. So we have a 1 and a 4. Fabulous. So I thought that we could, instead of doing a regular countdown, we could do a beach theme countdown. So we're going to start at 25 and I'm going to play some beach music as we do it. And you can dance until you get to 0. And then I will see you at our beach meeting. Now remember, before we do our countdown, don't forget to post your bucket list. Let me know what you are excited to do this summer. So if you're ready, let's do our beach countdown. Here we go. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Happy beach day. I hope you have a great day. See you soon.